Today we're going to complete the weathering, erosion, and deposition. For this experiment, this is all materials we need. First, place 2 to 3 ice cubes in the top corners of the tray. Make sure the ice is set in a section of flat sand. Now let's proceed to our experiment 2. First, put sand and gravel on the tray. Watch closely as I pour some water here at the top of the tray. See how it looks like a river flowing through a riverbed. Can you see how the water is breaking down our sand river bank? Now the third experiment. Put some soil on the tray and pour water on the bottom.